Here are 3 reasons why you need to try this anti-snoring device. Number 1, the soft, medical-grade material makes it comfortable to wear all night with no custom fitting required. Number 2, zQuiet is prescription-free and requires no doctor visit, no expensive sleep studies. And finally, number 3, it's the only snoring solution that attacks the root cause of your snoring, which is the soft tissue in the back of your throat obstructing your airway. Since using zQuiet, I stopped snoring altogether. I feel more well-rested and alert during the day, and my blood pressure is back in a safe and healthy range. zQuiet is FDA cleared and doctor recommended. Your snoring may be seriously affecting your health. You need to try zQuiet.